Dashbox Radio. Dashbox Radio. Dashbox Radio.
Dashbox Radio.
Bringing you the hottest show on the planet.
Boy, you really don't know me. Who you think you're dealing with? I am a strong black woman and I don't take no shit. And you can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. And you can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. I'm so sick of you telling me how you feel about what I wear, how's my hair, who I behave with. Why should I stay with you when all you ever do is try to make me the fool and you always put the blame on me? You can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. And you can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. I ain't gonna be what you want me to be, like a little lost puppy, always beneath me. You like to have full control of everything about me. You need to worry about this, cause you far from perfect, just a little rough around the edges. You're really sitting here trying to correct me, you're foolish. You need to buy yourself a daughter who you can dress and teach them the way you want them to act. Oh yeah, I remember it's plastic, real, ladies, real. I ain't gonna be the one. You ain't gonna tell me. I won't let you talk to me any way you want to. You have to respect me. I would never disrespect you. Who do you think you are? And you can't control me. Boy, you really don't know me. Who you think you're dealing with? I am a strong woman and we don't take no shit. And you can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. And you can go, and you can leave, and you can go, just leave. Dun, 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 dun. You can go, just leave. Yeah, just leave. And he can go. Watch your mouth when you see me. Watch your mouth when I come through. Watch your mouth hanging with your girl. Watch your mouth, don't be a fool. I hear you talk about me, must like me. I hear you saying that your man likes me. I hear you dressing me, fighting like me. You wanna be like who? Miss Marjorie? H-A-T-E-R. Hater, hater. H-A-T-E-R. Hater, hater. Watch your mouth, 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 watch your mouth. Why you hating? Hard to play it. Always faking. You ain't any better than me. Why you hating? All this fussing, all for nothing. Tell your girl stop grinning to me. You hate what? You just like me. I know you hating. Cause I love you. I know you hating. You can't sing like me. I know you hating. Cause I do everything. I sing, I rock, I dance, I write. What is it you do again? Fucking hating. H-A-T-E-R. Watch your mouth, 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 watch your mouth. What you gonna do when I come through? I hit the straight, promise he's straight too. I grab the mic, spin a track on the spot, like a whole shit rock. Ain't nobody gonna do it the way I rock. Why your people follow me for the way I thought you had it for? And now you lost it. It's 2011 and it's me, and this is why I'm hot. And this is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. And this is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. And this is why I'm hot. Come on! This shit is me.
mommy. Profanes and why do this so official, man? He's like the Jeezy on Rhode Island, man. The kid is a problem.